Hey guys, I always made a herbs and remedy video, but today I'm gonna show you my future house which I'm gonna purchase. So here it is. So let's begin our tour. So guys, this is the house what we booked it, and this is the actual building of the house, and this is the outside view. It's located in the heart of the Virginia city. The weather is really beautiful in Virginia. It's not very cold, not very summery. And the thing is that the price of this house is $478,785, which would be in Indian currency approximately 3 crores 68 lakhs about. But this is really good because it's an individual house. It has a 4 bedroom and 1 living room plus 3.5 bathroom, so it's really beautiful. Come on, get in, welcome to my home. So I'm starting from my kitchen. It's a large spacious kitchen. This is microwave, here is the sink, and these are the counters. Yes, it has too many windows also, so it's so airy to cook right here. So this is my refrigerator. So cool, no? I'm just showing you by open it. It's a double door one and so nice. So now we are going to show you this closet. This is the actually kitchen pantry where you can put all the stuff of the kitchen. Now moving forward to this is the bar table area. You can set some bar stool right here and have dinner, cocktail, snacks. So it's so easy to place and serve the things right here. So it's very good. Now I'm going forward to my living area. So this is my living area, and here is my son who is sitting and enjoying there. So this is my couch. So I'm just relaxing right here to showing you guys. Have fun there. And now I'm moving to, you can see there are two nice windows. This is the TV area where I can watch TV, and yes, there is another couch, and this is the dining area where all people can have dinner. So this is also so spacious and bright because each wall has enough windows, and there you can also put some bookshelf or anything, any painting, whatever you like. So now these stairs, and this is the area which is near to the stairs, and there are some closets also. Now I'm going up to showing you my bedroom. So this is overall 4 bedroom plan. This house has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. So this is the first bedroom, and this is for kids. This is the kids closet for their clothes, toys and other stuff. So this is another bedroom. Hey Tane, say hello.
Hello.
So it's a lakeside view which is very beautiful. I'll show you. See, it's a water fountain right there, and it's so beautiful once you are residing in the bedroom. So this is the bathroom. This is the master bathroom, and I love the colors of the wall and the beautiful soap boxes, the drawers. Everything is so authentic. Beautiful vase. And yes, there is a shower room. I'll show you the shower room. And there is also lake view. So every room has one storage closet. So this is also for storing clothes, dress materials, the bags, pouches, whatever you wanted to store. So come on in, I'll show you another bedroom. So this is the another bedroom. Come on in. Oh wow, it's beautiful. So this is like, I can see it. Oh, that's cool and nice. So come. Okay, so there's a mirror, and yep, Tani, you like the glow? Yeah. Okay. Painting, nice painting, and I love this cushion. This is so cute, no? Oh, it's so cute. And yeah, there's another closet. Come on in, guys. And the good thing is that your closet have enough room. We have every closet has a window, and we have, see, we can hang so many clothes right here. So let's go out. And one more thing which is very, very good. Come on, come on. That is, this bedroom has a small study also, which is really beneficial for me, because once you are tired and you wanted to do little work, you can do right here. Let's move on to another bedroom. So I think it's a master bedroom. Yeah, the king bedroom, king size bedroom. Comfortable bed. Yes, I enjoy it. And every room has a dresser setup, so you can get ready, have some makeup, charge yourself. Yes. And so bright because each room has a 2 and 3 windows. And yes, there is a beautiful painting. This room too have a big storage closet, which this rack where you can arrange your dresses, your clothes, your other stuff, which is very important while you are living. So the storage capacity should be really awesome in this house, and that it is. Now let's move on to the laundry. It's a big laundry room. So this is the washer dryer, this is washer, this is dryer with couple of towel rolls. Yes, and these are the bags for the dirty clothes, used and dirty clothes, which you can put right here. And this shelf is for the laundry detergent, laundry liquids, and for other dried up and washed clothes you can arrange right here. And lovely wall. And here is the attached bathroom. This is the master bath, and it has a long counter sink with the beautiful fishes decor, some towel rolls, and nice wall color, of course a nice painting. Again, it also has a bathroom closet which can contain all your towels, all your night dresses, gowns, etc, etc. So here is a bathtub where you can have bath and shower both. So, and yes, there is a bathroom. So now I'm going down with this area, but this I love this bookshelf because I really love to read. And there is a small couch they place it where you can sit, enjoy your morning coffee near the stairs. Yeah, just like that. So now I'm going down, but do let me know that how you like my house, how do you feel about it, whatever your feelings, just write down on your comment box. So now I'm going forward to show you the other areas of my house. So this is the another closet. I love the closet settings because my son loved to play peekaboo and it has enough places to hide. And that's why he's super happy. But it's really a problematic for me. Another beautiful bedroom which they place and design with some guitar theme, and they put lots of guitar here. Guitar painting and a beautiful view outside of the window. Another closet, yes, it's coffee. So this is my favorite place, my lawn, my garden. And here they place some of the the lawn couches and with the beautiful color theme. And this is so spacious with a lovely view, lovely plantings. You can also do a small get together right here, and that's really a corner of the piece where you can enjoy your coffee, your morning tea with beautiful place of nature, and really good for the meditation and yoga too. I'm just showing you the all side, and the best part is that it has a lake view. And this is the beautiful side of the lawn with the beautiful lake view. You can spend a beautiful morning on this place. This is our car garage. It's so wide, I think 2 and 3 cars will go in. I hope you all like it and enjoy.